you know the drill. Let me get you organized here.
How'd you guys do today? Well, we had a lot of action, I'll tell you that. We had an incident with the probe, with fish getting into it, and Dixie getting into it, and coming to neutral, and getting it all in the net, and cutting it apart, and saving everything. So, probe's in the cabin. I'm fishing the middle rigger with just a cannonball on it, see if it'll go. There you go. It's the old gray whistler, the curse.
Yeah.
At least you didn't lose a downrigger. We got the old gray whistler, you got the old gray mare. No problems on the Trapahoe today, we pounded them.
See how he's staying down? Good fish.
Bring it out. I know we're in front of that building at 139, but I know where I'm going tonight. I'll tell you when we get in.
Oh, he's got a cut
Are you
on.
fish today?
Whatever.
I can't move my arms, they're so sore. Alright, copy that. I got the crew give me orders. Hold on.
Daniel, put that dipsy down, dude. Oh, listen. Wait a minute, I'm looking at it. Yeah, pull it out, stick it down, dude. Okay, he's clear, he's clear.
So you had a sea lamprey on him.
Yep.